Yo, yo, yo. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Here I come right out the door. We are playing some games. We are setting up our live stream. We're gonna get this stuff going, guys. We're gonna do this. And there is no doubt in my mind at all right now. I mean, not one single doubt that this market is getting ready for some crazy, crazy things. Now, if you're watching me, then I recommend that you like number one, recommend that you subscribe number two, and then I recommend that you continue to do everything you need to do. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Ah, yeah, yeah. All right, we're gonna try that one more time. Let's see if we got it. Yes, that's me. Okay, here we go. We are in this game. We are not in long. We are not in short. We are in a game right now. I am playing a little bit of this game called Rainbow Six Siege, trying to really just trying to master, everything I can about this. Because let's be honest with ourselves. I mean, let's be honest with ourselves. Why does that say I'm not streaming? There we go. All right, we are live and in charge, like Blanche du Blanc. Live and in charge, like Blanche Glumba. 上陪上碰听清楚我后舌，害些没情人佛舌。We are playing the game that we're supposed to play. Well, what does that mean for us? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you know. All I know is my team dropped the diffuser. Well, hey, I don't care who you are. That's not very good, okay? Yep, that's right, huh? Mm-hmm. 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 I got dropped like Blue Bonnet. Coming at you, everybody. Welcome, welcome to my live stream. You know, I once was asked before, what are you going to be doing with your live stream? And I like to say I'm trading. So we are up and we are running. I am ranked 9,186, trying to top into the top 1,000. I'm going to do it, you guys. I'm going to get into that top 1,000. You can guarantee that. Hey, don't do that, kitty. What are you doing? Are you trying to get in trouble, huh? My kitty's trying to get in trouble. Yeah, you are, kitty now. Oh, you want some water? I'll give you some water over here. Come here. My cat wants some water. Yes, he does. Kitty, here's some water for you just because you are a cute little kitty. Yes, you are now. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, here's what we have going on right now. We have a live trading session in progress. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are going to be saying. A lot of you guys are going to be like, Timo, ¿qué está pasando ahora? Y yo les tengo que decir que nada está pasando ahora. La verdad es que hay un montonazo de cosas que están pasando. Hay un montonazo de cosas que no están pasando. We're going to take a look at this now. We have NQ, and we're trading. We are trading. We are live trading right now. I want you guys to like and subscribe. I want you to really just tell us what's going on, you know? Tell us where you're from. Tell us what's going on with you. Let's see if that actually helps out a little bit. It does actually help out a little bit. Look at us go, you guys. Wow, we are in it to win it. That is for darn sure. We are in it to win it. Yes, we are. I think I got my sound going pretty well. I'm going to send a tester email. I'm going to send a test email to my wife. I want her to open it up and tell me that it's good. Hopefully she gets this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh, my voice is beautiful, you guys. My voice is the voice of an angel. Now, if I were to tell you guys that my voice was the voice of an angel, and you guys were like, you know what? Your voice is the voice of an angel. I think you guys would be like, listen to that angelic voice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why, thank you, my dear. I'm so glad. You know, you make me want to shout. Move your hands up and shout. Come on now. Hey, 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 oh. Shout, shout. Okay, coming at you. We are live and in charge. We are trading. Now, if you want to trade, great. If you just want to follow me, great. If you want to just say, hey, what's up? Great. By all means. Life is a highway, and you know, you really can't argue with that. You can't argue with that life's a highway. I mean, let's be honest with ourselves. That is some good A coffee I'm having this morning. Now I don't know why the coffee hits different in the morning, but it does. Now I don't know why the coffee hits different in the morning, but it does. Man, that voice of mine is so dang beautiful. Power hour. Power hour. Okay, what am I doing today? Am I doing some trading? I think I am doing some trading. I really do. Yes, I do. It's power hour time. It's midnight Cinderella. Don't you worry none. 'Cause I'm Peter the pumpkin eater, and the party's just begun. I know you're Prince Charming, isn't after all. Right after you got back from the ball, I don't think I'm singing the words quite where they need to be. But that's okay, 'cause I'm playing Rainbow Six Siege while I'm trading. It looks like it's gonna dump, but is it gonna dump? I don't know. I don't know. You know, the market could go up, it could go down. It could go anywhere in between. Let's be honest with ourselves. Now, if you're new to trading, then I suggest that you learn. If you're old to trading, then I suggest that you learn. I mean, here's the thing, you're going to want to learn no matter where you are. So if you're in school, you're going to want to learn. If you're not in school, you're going to want to learn. Life's a highway, and I swear I am backwards in this game right now. Okay, there we go. Took me a second to realize where I was, but I'm here. You know, one thing that everybody asks me all the time is, how are you going to become profitable if you're not even trying? And that is the question of the hour right now. I'm going to be honest with you guys. That is the question of the hour. It's hard. It's hard to become profitable. I mean, let's just be honest with ourselves. It is hard to become profitable in this market, especially when the market makers make you think you're going crazy. Now, I'm not crazy, you guys, okay? Heck, I don't even know anybody crazy. I've never met anybody crazy. I don't think I'll ever meet anybody crazy, but for sure, I know that I'm not crazy. Look at them go, look at us go. My name is Joe. What's your name? Oops. What's your name? What's your name? Ok, vamos a hablar español para los hispanos. ¡Raja! Mira el gato está caminando. Aquí mira, mira el gato. Kitty, 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 kitty. Who's my good kitty? I got a kitty right there, and the kitty don't care if it goes higher or lower. You know, guys, a lot of this trading stuff is you got to be in the right zone. You got to be in the right mindset. You got to be in the right frame of mind. If you're not in the right zone, if you're not in the right mindset and you're not in the right frame of mind, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get locked out. You're going to get swept, okay? And we all know that getting swept is not, I repeat, is not what you want to have done. You don't want, look, you don't want to be liquidity, okay? If you're liquidity in the market, that means that people are taking advantage of you, taking advantage of your kindness because you don't know what's going on. Now, I would venture to say that not very many people know what's going on in the market. Now, that's just me. What do I know? I'm going to be honest, not much. Not much. But I do know I can sing songs. I know I got the voice of an angel. And if you want to do it with me, then you're gonna have to make me an offer. Make me an offer, can't you see? I'm gonna mark this line down here. This is a good support line. If we're trading afternoon power hour, or now is the time to find. Thank you all very much. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to pay more attention to this market, you know. Let's see here. All right, guys, we are still just in the 5-minute time frame here. I am trading on Tradeify, trading in the cup, the Grand Cup 2. Ooh, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Holy smokes! Look at that range, guys. Look at that range. Look at that range. Everybody's looking at it. Can you see the range? I don't know. I don't know if anybody out there has ever played Rainbow Six Siege, but if you have, you got to know that this is a intense game. It don't get more intense than Rainbow Six Siege. I know what you guys are thinking. Tim, We didn't come here to watch you play Rainbow Six Siege. We came here to watch you trade some stocks. But I'm not trading stocks. I'm trading futures. So yeah, there, take it. Take that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I just found some people. Oh, snap. They tried to come in the front door and they got me. Okay, no worries. That it's all good. It's all good in the hood. It's all good in the hood. Yes, it is. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, that's a pretty good flush to the downside. I think they're going to want to sweep these lows, so I'm going to wait to get in. Yeah, I'm going to wait to get in until it sweeps down here just a little bit. Let me tune on to the 1 minute chart. Let's see if I have my line there on the 1 minute. I do. Okay, we're good. We're good. Ooh, let me see. We are looking at 948, 870. Whoa, that's an over 100-point downturn on that one. Now, if you know anything about market makers, if you know anything about the downturn, then you know that it's going to be a battle right now. Let's look at ES. Oh, yeah, ES is doing the exact same thing. You see that? The exactamundo. Es la misma cosa. Ok, bueno, mira. Yo puedo hablar español. Parezco un gringo, pero sí hablo español. Si tú me quieres hablar en español, perfecto, podemos hablar en español. Pero si no quieres hablar en español, no tenemos que hablar. Porque pues las cosas que pasan no son las cosas que queremos que pasara. Okay. Guys, I think we have a valid setup on, yeah, I'm going to get one of these again. I think we have a valid setup on ES right now to reject. Let me go to the 1 minute here. We are on ES. We have a very, very good level of support right down here. There is not much liquidity for them to get. And it bounced right off of that bad boy. Look at that. Oh, and we are going, they want a little bit more. You know, that's the thing, guys, is the market could go higher, it could go lower. I'm going to, let's see, oh, that's 20 minute. Let's see where that 5 minute closed at. Oh, they want to close. They want to close below that. What is that level at? 7381. We're trading ES currently. Although I might switch to NQ depending on what happens. But you guys see this. You see this? You see what's happening right now? Come on, tell me you guys see that. I know we have people in the chat that sees that. Oh, because it is so visual right now. It does not get any better at all. It's now or never. I can show my current rank, yeah. I am currently at 9186. Let me put that up here. 9104. Hey, I went up. Didn't even take a trade, and I went up. How about that? I'm telling you, that's how fast people get stopped out of here. They don't take trades, but it's all good. I mean, I got a little bit to go, but today's still Monday. I'm being patient, not forcing anything. That was a great question, by the way. Thanks so much. I appreciate that. That was very, very nice. So staying patient, taking some good trades. Let's see what NQ has done. Has NQ swept that bottom? No, it hasn't. Oh, they are fighting after it. Look at that. All right, let's look at volume. Am I on the 1 minute? I'm on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute. Let's go to 5 minute. Let me get calibrated just a little bit here. Okay, so these indicators, these are levels that I put on. And a lot of folks would be like, what kind of indicators are you putting on? Well, oh man, there is some good luck. Oh, you're just getting started, dude. Heck yeah. That is awesome. Getting started is the way to go. Now I got to show. Now, are you in the Tradeify Cup? Are you on there? All right. I'm gonna drop some sauce, as they say. Drop some sauce. No, I don't want to say that. That's lame. Well, I shouldn't say it's lame. It's just not my thing. All right, we're on the 5-minute chart. We have some price levels coming down. There is no liquidity down here for them to take, so they're going to want to go back up. Oh, hello. They are going to want to go back up. But let's see here. It's midnight Cinderella. Don't you worry none. I definitely recommend taking some classes, seeing what's up. There's lots of little things to learn, and honestly, you pick it up as time goes on. We're on the 5-minute right now. I'm going to wait until that setup validates. I used to think, why you wait until that setup validates? Don't wait, just go, 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 go. Because you got FOMO, fear of missing out. That's the thing about trading is you got to control that FOMO. And it depends on what play you're playing right now. I'm doing power hour, 11:23 in the morning here in California, Califas. Órale, bienvenidos a Califas, homie. Yeah, we like to do the trading. Simón, amigo. Por favor, que haga lo trading. I don't know if anybody knows how to say trading in español. Compartiendo? No, that's sharing. I'm going to have to look that word up. Compartiendo. Oh, look at that. See? Okay, if I would have taken that long on the 1 minute here, I would have taken it at 850. Ooh, that would have been a 24-point go around. And it's still going. It's still going higher. It wants some. It wants some. Does it have the momentum? If it goes past that, I'm going to enter in for a short little scalp. Let's see how it does. Oh, nope, nope. We're about to end that 5-minute candle. The thing is, you got to watch the time. You don't want to let anxiety get the best of you, because if it does, then you are jodidoed. Eso es una palabra en español. Jodido. Ay, qué jodido que son. I don't know if you're allowed to say jodidoed where I come from, but oh, there you go. It's midnight Cinderella. Don't you worry none. 'Cause I'm Peter, Peter, the pumpkin eater, and the party's just begun. I guess you're Prince Charming, wasn't after all. Oops. Man, these guys did not guard up here, did they? It's showering bombs, yes it is. Yes it is. Okay, we're gonna tap that. Boom, baby. Got a couple of snipes. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the caffeine is kicking in. This is a battle. Look at that 5-minute battle. Ooh, which one wants it more, the Bears or the Bulls? You're about to find out. That is for sure. All right, I gotta focus. I gotta focus up, guys. I gotta focus up and not down. I gotta focus up and not down. Okay, I'm gonna step away for a minute. That's gonna tap, and I'm gonna take a long watch. I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it right now. I'm calling it. It's gonna tap that. I'm gonna take a long. It tapped it. What did I say? It tapped it. What did I say? I called it. It tapped it. We're going to go long here. Let's see here. I don't want to get kicked out of that. Let's go to the 1 minute here. You guys ready to see me take a trade? I'm ready to see me take a trade. Oh my gosh, it went long and I was too late. That's all right. Let's go ahead and get this going here. Let's get in just for a little scalpy scalp. Let's see here. Whoa, up, buddy, up, 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 buddy, up, 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 pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. We're losing, no, farts. That's all right. We're a little bit negative. That's okay. I'm going to get out of this. Ready, ready, ready. Here we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Oh my goodness. That's a little scalp right there, you guys. $85 scalpy scalp. $85 scalpy scalp. Okay. So I've been trading, let me see, when I started my journey, all right, so day trade, or not day trading, but trading is a process, right? You start with the 401ks, the Roth IRAs, it's all those little tiny things that you think are, or that are important, especially if you have a job. Man, look at that. I got out of that trade right at the right time. Check that out. It is going up a little bit higher. And I'm sure it will. I'm sure it's going to regain all of this up here. But do I really want to have FOMO? No, I don't like where it's at. It's 11:30. And I'm in the middle of a Rainbow Six Siege game too. All right, so, you start with the Roth IRAs, the 401ks, all of those fun little thingy-mabobbers. And those give you a pretty good idea on how to tell if the market's going up or down. And then a few years back, I got a special lesson from one of my wife's coworkers, and this guy was pretty awesome. I won't drop his name, but he gave me a free lesson on how to basically just what calls and puts were, what buy and sell is. A lot of trading is not so much learning how to read the market. A lot of it is just learning how to execute, and learning the right things to execute. So, I learned a few years back how to do calls and puts, and then I lost a poop ton of money. Well, not a poop ton of money, but I lost a little bit of money. I mean, I wasn't really dabbling in, that deep. And then about a year ago, my brother-in-law took this training, and shout out, called UET, Uncommon Education. Look them up, Uncommon Education. I will repeat that a couple of times. Uncommon Education, UET, Uncommon, with Jeremy Lieber. He gave me the opportunity to take his mastermind class. And a lot of people will say, don't take a class. You don't need to take a class. Just watch YouTube. Just watch YouTube. Yeah, you can learn it, but the class helps so much. It helps just identify levels. It helps identify price action. They give you a couple of strategies like, rally base rally, bounce reject. But more than anything, you just get to see people that are doing it. And you kind of follow them. You kind of see what's going on. When I started that, I traded my own equity, and I lost my own equity, and it was rough. I mean, it is rough. ROUGH rough, not RUFF rough. I mean ROUGH rough. We're about to win this match right now. Am I still in the 1 minute? I'm still in the 1 minute. Okay. But anyways, in that mastermind class, and I don't want to give everything away, but actually I'm not giving anything away because Jeremy was Jeremy and his team, shout out to Wilson, shout out to Jaden. They really showed you what was up with the whole trading stuff. So it's pretty dope. Anyways, I'm going to get back to that here in a second. Let me see what we got going on. All right. Here we go. So I took that training, pretty bomb diggity training. Taught me price action, taught me levels, taught me, I mean, not so much calls and puts because I already learned that one, but you just learn different languages with it. Let me see, I'm going to go to ES here. MQ is kind of boring. ES should be more boring, but a little bit more stable. Okay, I think we're going to have a little bit of pullback, and then we're going to go to the moon. Watch this. Let me go to the 1 minute here. Yeah. Decreasing volume on the downside. Let me wait till that taps. Is it going to try to tap that level again? Hey, we just won our match. Yay. We just won our match. Yay. Our match was so good to win. Everybody knows, the match is so good to win. So yeah, so where was I? Oh yeah, so I took this class. It was pretty good. Taught me price action, taught me how to look for a couple of different strategies, but really it's just taken hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trades. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Let's go to our dashboard here and see what my rank is currently. 8801. Oh snap! I'm moving on up. Moving on up. So you just take hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of trades here. Okay, what did I say? That was a nice clean. I'm gonna get in there. Come on now. I'm gonna get in this one just for a few minutes. Let me watch it just to see. I mean, we have decreasing volume here on the 1 minute, and they call that a pullback. So it pulled back. I'm in long, so that's a call or a buy on futures. Honestly, a lot of the lingo just is confusing. Let's see if it breaks. If this one breaks up here, I might, nah, I don't want to risk that. That's the thing, is you never really know which pullback is going to happen. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, uppity up, up, up. Uppity up, up, up. There we go. What? What's love got to do? Got to do with it? Who needs a pullback when a pullback really sucks? That's right. Come on, where's my momentum at? Give me some momentum. Give me some momentum to the upside, not the downside. Give me some momentum. There we go. A lot of it is just kind of feely. You're just kind of feeling what's the market giving you. Not so much a strategy, not so much a recipe, just more so what's that market giving to you? Like this right here. Like this is nonsense. Classic ES being nonsensical. Rut-row. I better get out of this one so I don't lose anymore. Man, let's see what happens. Rut-row. Rut-row. 2612? Oh, snap. You're at 2612. Are you serious? Holy smokes, that's awesome. Okay, so you are just trying to fly up that. Man, you are so close. 1600 away, huh? Man, look at you go. See, that's pretty dope. There we go. Get on up there. Get on up there. Were you trading an orb? Or you I mean, dang, for being brand new, you 2612. Whoa. What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Let me go to the 5 minute on this one. You know, they always say don't stay married to the trade, so I don't want to stay married to this trade. Nice. Look at you go. Wait, were you following PW or D Money? That's what D Money said earlier. He took 4 trades, 3 take profits, 1 stop loss. Although they're momentum traders, so if you're 2612, then I'll have to check out to see kind of what they are at. What's love got to do? Got to do? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Decreasing volume. Do we have a little bit of audacity to get up there? Can we go? Can we go? I'm gonna have to focus now. Turn the video game off. Time to focus. Got to get that focus going. Got to get that focus. Focus. I better get out of this one. Farts. You got to keep those stop losses tight. Tell you what. Tell you what. We're going to tap that. Tap it in. Just tap it in. Tap it in. Tap, tap, tap. Tap it in. Come on, ES. Usually you're pretty safe. Oh, well. You win some, you lose some, right? Trust the process, young Padawan Skywalker. Come on, Bulls. Where are you guys at? I think you guys got to drop it. I got to drop it. Where my Bulls at? Where my Bulls at? Where my... Not my balls. My Bulls. B-U-L-L. Ha. Come on, Bulls. There we go. I knew you guys were going to come back in with some force. Maybe, maybe not. That's the thing. It could go higher or it could go lower. Or it can go sideways. It could go higher or lower or sideways. I should become a musician. All right, we tap that level. Let's see if they have a little bit of more push in them. Nope. I got to get out of this. Come on, baby. I got a little bit of runway. I got a little bit of runway. Not much, though. A little bit of runway. A little bit of runway. Ugh. Little bit of runway. All right, let me think this one through really fast, just in case I want to get out and see what we got going on. Do we have a... What do we got? 42. Hate being in trades this long. That's all right. That's part of the process. There we go. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Just shoot up a little bit more. I don't care. All righty. There we go. Sometimes you just got to be patient. I think of that Post Malone song, you know, and I was patient. I was patient. Got stopped out early, and that really sucks. Wait, no, I didn't, but that's all right. Yeah. Watch, as soon as I get out of it, it's going to shoot up. I can tell. It just has that. It just has that about it. It has that like, hey, let's wait for you to get out of it, and then we're gonna shoot up to the moon. Like, man, I don't want you to wait to shoot up to the moon till I get out. Shoot up to the moon now. I recoup a couple of bucks. The bulls are definitely not happy right now. That is for sure. Here we go. We're just going to watch this one play out for a minute. That's the thing with paciencia. Patience. Paciencia. You gotta have the patience. If you don't have the patience, then you shouldn't be trading. That's for darn sure. Look at that. We were down about 200. It's coming back up a little bit. Let's check our 1 minute here. There we go. Yeah, see, look at that candle. We got a little bit more room up there. We can recoup a little bit more. There you go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, catch you go. The rut row. What time? Oh, it's 11:45. Okay, so we just had a 15-minute close. We have a new 15-minute if you're following that. I'm on the 1 minute right now. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, you know what? Let's see if we got a little bit more going. Go, 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 go. It's like the bulls want it, but at the same time, they are not making it easy for us. There we go. Get up there. Come on. See? We got a little bit of pullback, a little bit more. Go, baby. Go, go, go. Go, baby. Go, go. Disco Inferno. Go, baby. Go. Maybe that's Turn, baby. I gotta learn what the lyrics are to that song. We got 1 minute. We're on 1 minute. Come on now. Just a little teeny bit more, and I'll get out of this one. It's gonna be a loss, but you know, I don't want to get greedy. Let's see. Print, baby, print, baby, print, print, print. Print, baby, print, baby, print, print, print. There we go. Now you're going. Start me up. Start me up before I something started up. There we go. Don't stop now. Like Queen says, can't stop me now. We got increasing volume on that one. Man. Oh, and the floor just fell out. And the floor just fell out, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the floor just fell out. That is no bueno. No bueno. As they say in Espanol, no es muy bueno. Analyze the market every day. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. I should become a singer. I mean, I gotta stop this whole trading nonsense. Good grief. You gonna dump me? You are gonna dump me, aren't you? Please don't dump me, please. I don't want to be dumped. Oh. Maybe they're gonna try to trap some bears in here. I don't do it. I doubt it. We're gonna see here. Oh yeah. They just took out a few stop losses there. Nope, I gotta get out. No, I'm out. Oh, that one hurt. That one hurt. Oh no. Oh no, my rank just went down. Well, it's probably not gonna show, but oh, that one hurt. That one hurt. No, well. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. I'm checking you out here. Yeah, dude, look at you go, man. You win some, you lose some. Oh, okay. I need to get calibrated on this bad boy because that was definitely not what I wanted to have happen. But that's all right. That's all right. You know, you win some, you lose some. And I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to show my losses. Some people are afraid to show their losses. I'm not. Granted, I prefer if I'm winning. I mean, let's be honest with ourselves here. I prefer that I'm winning. Okay, let's wait for something to play out here. Let me clear my head. I'm going to go to the Dow. Mini Dow. Chasing candles. I tell you what, chasing these candles all day, every day. All right. I'm going to move that this way just a little bit. Just see what we got. Might have to get some background music going on. Background music. I don't trust that dump, I'll be honest. It just does not look clean to me. It does not look clean. Dude, I'm still like in awe that you are 2612. I mean, that is just phenomenal. Were you trading in Q and were you doing minis, micros? I mean, 4 trades. Were you at one? Were you sizing around one mini? And what did you play, man? Did you play the orb? Opening range? Man, look at all these ranges I have here. Nonsense, just nonsense. Micros, nice, nice. In Q, I imagine. 5 micros at a time. Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Very nice. Very nice. Five micros at a time. Okay. Are you going to keep going today? I mean, You got to keep racing that, right? Get to the top. Are you tapped out? Stressful, man. Trading is stressful. Even though these prop funds, you know, it's not real money, but man, it's stressful. I think because you get so focused and you just want to hit that lick, you know, hit that win. 5 micros at a time. That's good. Let's see here. If I were to trade a mini. Oh, you did? Yeah, buddy. Oh, snap. Look at you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude, you are catching on. 1658? What? Dude, you're right there. Ah, that's dope. $16.58. Man, you're right there. You're just a few hundred away. And especially when, I mean, if we look at this, let's go to the full leaderboard. Here's what I like to do. I like to just kind of go to page maybe 19. I like looking at this so I can see the minimum that it's going to take for us to get above 1,000. Look at this. $5,900 in profits. Now, granted, these guys are good. These guys are really good. Man, that is awesome. That, like, is so awesome. Makes me want to get a little bit more serious about this, man. I got to get, like, more focused. All right, here we go. We're going to check out a live stream here. We are live trading right now in Q Micro. No, we're on minis right now, so we're going to do one contract at a time. Ooh. Do I dare do that? Do I dare do that? Let's get a momentum trade going. What? Well, filled me. A little weird. And stopped me out. Odd. I don't have any existing trades going on right now. Let's make sure I'm out of that one. Get all my markets out. I don't know why it stopped me out of that one. At one point, weird. Okay, okay. Alrighty. Well, 5 micros it is then. 5 micros. They used to have this Subway commercial. Whenever I think of $5, $5 foot longs. I mean, you know me, I like food. That one's filling up though. Look at that. I was trading Asia and London last night. Yeah, dude, 4.4K in 4 trades. I mean, yeah. Okay, what do you think I should do here then? I mean, you got to give me some advice right now. Should I go short? Oh, I should, huh? Let's see what we got. Let's see if it takes us down. Downtown Charlie Brown. Oh, looks like I wasn't the only one that wanted to go short there. 5-minute. I mean, technically, if you're trading this range, you're probably going to want to be short. All right, I'm going to focus up on this one. I need to get some music in the background. I'm going to turn my phone on. Get some music going now. A little background trading music. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's all right. I don't want that one. Well, that's a one fun one. Psycho Micros. Shout out to Psycho Micros for the Ultimate Trading Music playlist. Shout out to. Is it going to bounce off of that? Here we go. Bam. I don't have an engulfing candle on the 5-minute. I have a long wick up there. That tells me that we might be shooting down. I don't know why. I just like the bounce reject for some reason. I think the bounce reject really just has my number when I should be momentum trading that up. See? Uh-huh. There we go, baby. Yep. Let's see. Tradeify is pretty quick, but you got to be quick with the draw on that one. Oh, it's noon. No wonder. It is power hour time. It is power hour time. They are not going to like those lows. Let's get in on the long right here. I'm just going to do a little momentum trade because it looks like it's going up. Boom. Just locked in 112. So I should be, I should be keeping that structure that you got going on, but I'll take that. I'll take small wins every day, all day long. I'm a scalper. I like them small. That's what she said. Oh my gosh, see? What was I thinking? Not scalping, not taking that one. Oh, come on now. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Don't drop on me. Oh, was I too late? Was I too late? Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, I'm going to take another scalp. 165, baby. Oh, baby. There it goes. There it goes. What is this candle? What is this candle? What? What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, they just came in and dominated those shorts. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for that. Did you guys see that? What in the world was that? Oh, wow, sure, but I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Oh, I wonder how many people just got finished out of the competition because of that candle right there. I guarantee there's some folks that just got hammered out of the competition. That was a 8842 all the way to 9071. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? I don't even know how to handle that. And it's still going. It's still going, guys. It's still going. Let's go to the 1 minute. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, that. Holy smokes. Guys, I cannot believe that I jumped on those two. I mean, especially after that one loss. Holy smokes. Please tell me you saw that. Wait, did you get wiped out? Oh, don't tell me you got wiped out. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me that, man. Oh man, you got to pay for the reset if you got wiped out. Pay for it. It's only a couple of bucks. It's worth it. Oh my goodness gracious, man. Oh my goodness gracious. 7421, huh? Oh. Seven, 4, 2, 1. Let me look here. I'll map that out. Oh, you mean like way down here, 7421. Oh, that's a long way down, man. Okay, I'm on the 1 minute. Let me go to the 30 minute and I'll take a look at that a little better. Oh, look at that, man. Let me mark that level. I'll mark it and we'll just kind of see how it plays out. 7421. Oh, that's way down here. Oops, where am I at? In queue. Oh, you're on ES. My bad. Oh, my bad. Okay, yeah, I see. I got you. Yeah, if you took that short right there. Man, I was on NQ. And holy crap, man, that was rough sauce. Man, that was rough sauce McGee right there. Yeah, so I'm on NQ 7421, taking a short from there for ES. Let me look at my 5-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty solid level. I think I marked that level out earlier. What did I mark it at? I was at 7419. I think if we momentum up to the long up there, but man, that was dirty. I don't even know what to say about that candle. That was dirty. Like, dirty. I can't even right now. I wonder if I bounced up just a little bit more. Now it hasn't updated yet. That was so dirty. Okay, that's my 30 minute. Let's go to the 15 minute. 12:06 right now. 5-minute. That was so dirty. Whoever, oh my gosh, I can't even. Man, that was rough. Man, if you were short down here, following that momentum, 7403 on ES. Oh yeah, yeah, you can be long from there. Let's go. I'll trade a little ES with you. Trade a little ES going for it. No, we're dumping. They gotta want to take that back. Man. Yeah, I could bounce off of that. And 7403 is it's a decent little scalp. I mean, it's about a 5-point scalp from where it's at right now. They're gonna want to have a little bit of momentum here. We'll hang out in ES for a minute. Man, I am still just in shock and awe at that last candle. That was rough sauce. 1 minute candle. Look at that. Let's see on ES 7381 to 7416. Oh, farts. Yeah, we have to wonder if that's just a pullback for more downside. I mean, there is some liquidity to sweep. So here's the one thing I've been working on is looking at this right over here in my volume profile. So all of this little stuff, those are contracts that are left out in the open that they're going to want to come down and sweep before they shoot it back up. Yeah, yeah. I would look for some more confirmation. Although you got it, man. I mean, you had 4 trades, and we're ranking pretty high. So I ain't tripping. I mean, you got some magic sauce going on. So you take that and you roll with it. You know, that's the cool thing about trading is everybody's an individual trader, right? Like we all have our skill set, we all have our mastery. All right, we got a little bit of a maybe a flag, maybe. Let me look at my cheat sheet. I got a cheat sheet that I like to go in. Oh, 5 years? You've been trading for 5 years? Oh yeah, man, dude. It's crazy, right? It's crazy how long it takes to kind of get the momentum of this stuff. All right, here we go. So I had a shoot to the moon right there, straight up down. Yeah, I might want to not have that as an entry. I would say a good entry point for right now is, let me draw this out. Now this is totally just me spitballing some ideas out here. But I would say a good entry point would be here, a little bit of chop. And then you're going to see this, this, and then this. All right, let's see if it follows that, eh? Oops, come on now. That's enough out of you. And this is just a impulse into a level, and then it's put a consolidate, and just so they can sweep out the highs. But I think there's a little bit more to sweep up here. I mean, if I were maybe a little bit higher, just to get all of these guys in here. But I mean, that's not bad. I mean, it's not a bad one. Maybe I'll take that buy. I'm going to buy into that one right now. Let's see what happens. See if it goes. I'm going to follow that momentum up. What am I on? 1 minute? On 1 minute. Okay, I'm in long right now. In long. I have a rally, little tiny base. I don't know. I thought we had a little more steam than that for the long. It's all good though. It's all good in the hood. How are we doing on volume down here? Nope. You better not shoot me down. Yeah, if that gets above it, if I'm at break even, I'll get out of that one. Yeah. Is not a happy camper with me. I would set my stop loss for right here, but I don't even want it to get there, especially with what I'm seeing. A little bit of a pullback, and then it shoots straight down. See, you got a little bit of a pullback and shoot straight down. Here we go. Yeah, I'm out. I'm going to get out of that one. Oh, bummer. And a little bit of a pullback and shoot straight down. You see that? That was totally just me having a fun little trip around the moon right there. All right, let me go to NQ. Let's see the volatility on NQ out. Oh yeah, see, same thing. It's 5 minute. I don't know. Man, that was a wild one. Look at that. Oh, love seeing those. Okay. You know, there's something they call Fair Valley Gap. I'm not quite sure. Go to ES one more time and just see. Yeah. I think they say, do you not trust the trade? Yeah, I didn't really trust that trade. Thought I saw some momentum building. Didn't. Okay, but we're losing volume here, which means that, yeah, we're decreasing volume. So if I'm going to get a bounce, ooh, do I do it? Do I think I'm going to get a bounce? Let's see. They could just be tricking me. Tricky tricksters. Buy or sell. I think about those YouTube videos. Buy or sell. Okay, 12:15. We're going to consolidate, get out of the range. Coming at you. Here we go. We are coming at you guys, figuring this one out slowly but surely. Lots of orders up in here still to sweep out, but I don't know. How are we doing on volume? I'm going to get in one here for long, just for a few seconds, just to see if it pops up. There we go. Come on, baby. Uppity up, up, up. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Pump it up, pump it up. Here we go. I got a little bit of a green cat. It wicked me up. It's not bad. Usually that means it's going to go down, so I don't like that. Yep, I'm out. Oh, bummer. Little loss. Okay. It's all right. It's all right. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. All right, let's go to price action here. Let's go back to our 5 minutes. Sometimes I just got a chart, even in at 12:17. It's like, does it want to reclaim a lot of this down here? Sure, it does. Sure. Let's see what we got. Yeah, and thanks for taking the time to chat with me, man. This is awesome. It's the stock market community is a really interesting community because, you know, all you can see are green and red bars throughout the day. And I started this YouTube channel just for a little bit of accountability, right? Learn a little bit, learn a lot. So we got the 5-minute chart. you know, a lot of people have those rules, like you should only trade once and have one or two losses and then step away. And I think those are pretty righteous rules when you're first starting out. But when you get into it a few years in, a little tiny bit in, kind of realize that once you can emotionally overcome just a couple of losses and even big losses, as long as you're not passing your trailing drawdown. Okay, so here we go. We got a valid level right here of support. Let me draw a little line here. Intraday level. Let's go to ES, see how ES is playing out. Not like I thought it was going to play out, but that's all right. $28,902, you think so? Well, let's see here. So you think once it taps into that, then we're going to get a bull run? Boom. Let's see. Let's get into it. Why 902? Just out of curiosity. Is that from over here? I see. I see what you're saying. Oh, I see. I see. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, good call out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was pretty bomb. That makes a lot of sense, especially when you're charting it like that. You kind of see that coming down. Okay. All right, I'm going to sell on this one, see if it comes down. Ride that little wave down. Let's see what happens. I'll take that. I like to just scalp it up. Okay, just getting a little bit of those profits back. All right, let's see if it taps into that. There you go. There we go. Let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, good looking out on that one, man. I like that. I didn't even think about just that little tiny bit of a gap right there. You see that? We are coming at you live, trading NQ. We just got some good feedback from a person out there who said, watch the 28902 with the NQ, and it's going to tap off of that, and we're going to have a bull run. Imbalance and NQL support. Okay. Man, dude, you are teaching me right now. This is phenomenal. MQL support. I'm gonna look up what that one is. MQL support. I tell you, man, there's something to learn all day long. take a look at that. Imbalance plus MQL playbook. Okay. Imbalances matter more than indicators. Ah, okay. I see what you're putting here. Okay. Major liquidity. Yes. Yes, that's what I'm thinking is where's that liquidity at? Okay. Man, I'm gonna learn a little bit more about that. MQL. Okay. Prior day high and low, overnight high, low, sessions highs and lows equals highs and lows. Okay, yeah. Man, you called it too. Look at that. Yep, that makes sense. Thank you. Heck yeah. Okay. So that makes so much sense right there. Okay, so if I'm putting in a box right here, telling you, there's always something to learn with this trading. Okay, so if that 5-minute closes in that box, then we're gonna have more. We're gonna have to have some lower lows then. If that 5-minute closes above that box, then we're looking to the upside, I imagine. I'm going to take some, I'm going to study a little bit of that MQL and imbalance tonight because that is exactly what I'm thinking. Now it's almost 12:30, so we're going to see if this wants to go higher. Man, thank you. That is some good information and something that, you know, you become blind. You sit there and stare at these charts all day long and you become a little bit blind to what is there and what's not there. Do you think they took out all those stop losses then of those bulls, or are they going to try to trap some more? I'm going to go dark mode. I'm going to change my eyes a little bit. Sometimes you just got to change it up just a little bit. At least I do. Ah, there we go. Okay. It's going to help. I don't know why. It just hits a different part of the brain, you know? All right, here we go. I think you're right. How are we doing on our volume here? Coming at you live. We are trading MNQ Micro E-mini Nasdaqs. And it is 12:28. We are just about a minute 30 from 12:30 or 3:30, depending on where you are in this world, at least in the United States of America. If you're outside of the U.S., well, it's whatever time it is there. All right. I just got thrown some good advice about watching the imbalances in the MQLs. I have a little box right here. You can see we tapped into that quite a bit. Question is there more? We're gonna see. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Got your back, Jack. I'm gonna take a long here. Let's see if that goes up for me just a little bit. Quick scalpy scalp if it goes up just a couple of points at a time in this market. There we go. Come on now. Oh, they're fighting it. They are fighting. There we go. Uppity up up up. Uppity up up up. There we go, baby. Come on now. Go, 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 go. Oh, what part of the roll are you in? If you don't mind me asking. Let's see if I can get out of this one. Come on, baby. Just a little bit more. There we go. Get up there. And I'm going to get out on that one. That's a winner. 57. I'll take it. Oh, I could have kept going, but you know, don't want to have a heart attack. See, you called it. You called it. I should have kept that one live and in. That was a nice one. Throwing it out there for me, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, it is a bold one. See? Boom. You called it. Tell you what, you learn something new every single day. 12:31 here in California. Let's see what we got. I got somebody trying to call me on my phone, stopping my music out, trying to focus. Yep, I can see the retracement. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see if we scalp anything here. Retracement. Yeah, called that. I would have taken that. Would have been a nice, clean little one. Couple 20 points. 20 points, not too shabby. I just went in short with a little tiny retracement. See if I can scalp something on it. No. Maybe. Come on. They're fighting. Come on now. It's like a tug of war, you know? that one. It's gonna shoot off without me. Nope, maybe not. Hey, this is school of the hard knocks, right? I mean, this is how we learn. Let's go to ES here. Take my drawings away. Tapped into that same thing. So we're right in the middle of a range on ES. I imagine the same thing is going to be true with NQ. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on here. 12:35, New York closes in 25 minutes. We are heading towards the upside right now. Now, the trend is our friend, right? That's what they keep telling us. The trend is our friend, which means I'm going to have to trend is our friend. Have a little bit of coffee. Trend is our friend. Mod H Arts. Let me see. I'm going to look at your channel here. Modich Farouk. I'm going to see if I can't find out a little bit about your name. Are you in India or Pakistan? Ah, okay, very cool. That's a guy. I like that. Oh man, I love India. Okay, this is random, not trading stuff. Let me see. I just got to show you this. I'm gonna find a. What part of India are you from, if you don't mind saying it? If not, it's all good. You can even just say north, south, east, or west. I have quite a few friends from different parts of India. Because I'll show you this. I love business stuff. Love business stuff. And oh, Bangalore. Okay, yeah, very cool. Okay, yeah. I got to show you these. So I know at least in Pakistan they do a lot more. They do a lot of recycling out there, but there's these electric motors. You can kind of see them in this picture right here, where you take the copper out, right? Um, and man, I was trying to get I was trying to get into some trading, like international trading, where I wanted to ship from India or Pakistan or China to the U.S., right, or even ship from the U.S. out there. That was before I found trading, um, and yeah, there's just a whole there's a whole industry out there. Um, Bangalore, India, and if I didn't have there we go. Okay, I think maybe a younger version of me, I would have gotten into that. 43. So I'm old. I look young, but I'm old. Maybe I don't look young. I don't know. The camera adds like so many years on you. Yeah, so I yeah, definitely don't want to ship anything, at least not right now. Who knows? Maybe in the future I might want to ship some stuff down there, but yeah, I love cultures, man. Just love learning about different places. Oh, you're 20. Oh, dope. Okay, yeah. What is the industry out in Bangalore? And good job for being 20 and trading, man. Like, oh, you guys are Silicon Valley. Oh, you guys are tech. Oh, snap. Okay, that's right. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, check this out. Do you want to immigrate to the US? One thing I was working on, this is going to sound really wild, was so I know there's different caste systems out there in India, right? Like you have like wealthy, middle class, poor. Um, and being in California, we have different. Okay, yeah, yeah, man, yeah. Um, so what I'm trying to set up right now is I'm trying to set up kind of a way for somebody to basically invest in a company in the US, and then through that investment you can get your green card to come move out here. And there's immigration attorneys and things like that. um, but yeah, man, like I would say come on to the US. Like we get a bad representation from the media, but this place, at least California, man, this is a melting pot. Like we have so many different people from different countries out here that you learn to love it. You learn to love that, people want to just get out of where they're from and migrate. Um, but I will say this: your guys' culture out there, at least family, um, festivals, different ways to get together, way better than out here. It's very lonely in the U.S. Um, very very lonely. We get that. So we have quite a few friends, and one, at least she's an acquaintance. And now that you're saying Bangalore, and I'm putting the two and two together, that it's a tech company. So she works for a tech company out here, and her husband also works for a tech company. And they immigrated to go to college. I think they met, um, and they have a baby. They have one little baby. And every time we talk to her, she says that she loves it here, but misses um, all of the family events, right? You have like, well, I mean, obviously, like Diwali, and that's pretty much all that I know as far as festivals. No, oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta show you this. This is wild, man. Okay. There is a type of fighting called I'm gonna find out what it is as I'm watching the market here. Slap fighting. I think it's more of a Pakistan fighting. Okay, have you ever heard of slap kabaddi? Slap kabaddi. It's a variant of kabaddi, and that's popular in Punjab. But okay, you have heard of it. I am on Instagram. Yeah, I'll have to shoot you my Instagram, man, and we'll have to connect. Let me get that over here. I keep everything. Okay, so you know Kubati, man. Ah, that stuff's so dope. Or that one where they go running, and then you have to do like acrobats on this like pole. Just sit there and like they do flips, man. Like they do flips onto this pole, and these guys are athletic as a mother. Like they are just athletic. All right, let me see if I have a. Let me see if I can get you my Instagram. No, I don't want to sign into that one. Let's do this one. No. Okay, so this is my Instagram name. I'll put it in the chat. Out here they say we're living the American dream. At least I think that's it. I'm not logged on to it. I'll have to text myself from my phone. Anyways, wild culture. Okay, one other thing too is I met some folks from India who were into that call center, like they call the old people up and basically just scam them out of lots of money. And man, it's crazy. Now India, I mean that's like one of the most populated places out there. I think the most populated. All right, let me see here. Yeah, living the dad dream. Yeah, you'll have to hit me up on Instagram. Oh, do they really? Ha! Are you serious? You would think you would like kind of know, but I guess not. I guess yeah. I guess if they want to scam anybody. That's wild. Well, I look at it as kind of business, right? Like, it takes sales to go into business. Like, you have to have a good, you have to be a good salesman. I mean, that's just the bottom line. And okay, here we go. Yeah, check out my Instagram. Do not redeem that code. Cool, thanks, man. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, don't redeem that code. But there's something wrong with my computer. Come on, man. There's something wrong with my computer. That's funny. Oh, man. All right, I'll be honest. I'm not really an Instagram user all that much. What do we got? 13 minutes before the. Yeah, there you go, man. I'll follow you back. Yeah, very wild, man. Do not redeem that code. Exactly. All right, let's see. Let's see if I want to take another trade before the end of the market, the New York Open. So, man, you guys are. It's late over there right now. Let me see what time it is out there. Oh, dude, it's 1:18 in the morning. You got to go to sleep. Yeah, man. What do you think? Should I put a put in here? Should I go lower? So how'd you learn trading? Did you just start following people online or find a friend that did it? It's always interesting to see how people, yeah, you're right, man. It's always interesting to see how people learn those trading. Mm-hmm. 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 Ah, yep, yep, yep. Very nice. And it's crazy, right? I'm sure a lot of people look at you like, man, what are you talking about? You can't make any money doing that. Like, what? Like, no, no, you can. And then you kind of teach them. And it's a hard, yeah, yep, yep, right? Yeah, man. Like, it's hard. And you see the world differently too, you know? 20, you're still young. I mean, I always hate when people tell me that. I mean, 43, like, I'll get old people all the time. You're still a young person. Hello? My computer's broken. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now, is that dangerous though in India to be like flashy and buy cars like that? I mean, do people try to rob you or not really? I'm going to take a long here just to kind of see if I can end the day on a positive note. I guess I'll keep going tonight. You know, this doesn't stop. There we go. Come on now. 105, little P&L, profit and loss, 105. You know, that's really interesting. So I'm a psychologist by trade, right? And so I love to understand the psychology and being 20. So you were, I mean, 5 years ago, you had COVID. So you're learning trading during COVID and all that time. I know, right? Aren't they so adorable? That's what I'm saying, man. Cute little babies. If you ever going to have kids, save up your money. They cost so much money. Let's see what we got. You think we're going to go a little bit higher? Yep, definitely, definitely. But man, 20, like, being ambitious. And okay, so here's my psychology question for you. It takes a lot to trade. Like, it's just, I mean, as you know, that psychology of you win, you lose, you blah, 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 all that good stuff. But you kind of become desensitized to other things, right? And so you see a lot more people that are depressed when they trade, because they don't find that spark, right? Um, but at 20, you still have that spark to want to go out there and do stuff. You become a rich person from trading, and then what then, right? Yep, there we go. It's the end of the New York. Let's see where they go. Yep, that's exactly it, man. That's exactly it right there. And then you win. And you win and you keep going, man. Yep, that's it. I think it takes that mindset, right? And you watch the folks around you that are living good lives, and that's the thing. Like, I don't hate on anybody. Like, I don't yuck on whatever they yum. If they like it, by all means. I was built different though, right? And it sounds like you were too. You're just, some people just come out a little bit different, and you want to win, win, win. Oh, look at that thing go down. I gotta find that one guy. You ever listen to Indian rap? I like rap, dude, because real recognize real. There's a guy named, love this song. I think this guy got shot, though. Oh, no. Wait, he didn't get shot. Let me see if I can find this guy's name. Yeah, I think you're right. It's done for a minute. SHUBA. He's a song called Checkis. I think that guy's from LA. There's another guy I listened to that got shot. What was his name? Anyways, I liked his flow. Oh yeah, Sidhu Moose. Sidhu Moose. Hmm. to short it. Let's go to the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Maybe. Here we go. Oh, don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. In queue, can you lose the steam? Can you drop down? Can you drop down? Here we go. It's the close of the market. There we go. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh, snap. Luckily for futures, they trade after the market closes. So, you know, there's always fun there. Take a little bit of a win here, maybe. I'm going to stay a little bit patient on this one. There we go. You called it, man. You called it. There we go. Nope. Are they fighting? They are. It's the end of the day fighting. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, we're just going to see the. We'll let this one play out a little bit. we go. Oh. Losing steam. Yep, there we go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it and end above 50,000. Thank you. Look at that, dropping that sauce, man. Okay. All right, man. I'm gonna get out of here now. I'm tired. Thank you so much. Like, honestly, that was a blast. Like, thank you, thank you. Much kindness. Let's keep at this. Who knows? Maybe we'll be in the top 1,000. Although you're gonna be in the top 1,000 really soon. Okay, I'm out. Peace. See you on Instagram, man. We'll keep chatting. Keep those dreams alive. Built different. Living the dream. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.